Welcome to the Traders Haven live session trade summary for the 10th of December 2009. We had a pretty good trading day today. London session provided some good trade setups. New York session's been a bit slow, to be honest. We were watching a couple trades there. We were targeting something on the Euro USD that hasn't triggered yet. We're hoping that it triggers pretty soon. So, we're still trading in that session at the moment, but, I thought I'd make a video for you of what happened in London session. Had quite a few good setups, and so I'm going to highlight a couple here for you. You're looking at a Euro-Yen 4-hour chart, and look at this pattern that developed right here. That's a bearish pin bar pattern or bearish sword bar that we basically get and we highlight in the My Daily Method thread at Traders Haven Forum. Now, we noticed we were ranging in between this 382 and the 23% fib for a while. So when we saw this form up, well, we jumped in short just below. As per usual on these patterns, we set our entry order just below that. We got in at 129.50. Short, put our stop loss just above the top there. When we hit the cycle level of 129.00, we took half of the trade off. We were hoping that it would push through to the 23% and give us a break, a bounce, and a continuation down, but it didn't. It bounced up. Took out the other half at break even, so we got out half of that trade at 50 pips. Not too bad. Can't complain about that. So let's have a look at the other trade that we took as well. Switch over here to the US dollar, Canadian dollar, and have a look at this pattern that developed up over here. This bar right here, that is a beautiful bearish pin bar off of a level of resistance. Now, in this level of resistance, the blue area, obviously, if you watch some of the videos, you'll know is a PPA, a pivot point area. It's an area that provides support or resistance. It's not a single line. It's an area that gives that level of support or resistance. So we have it in the blue box. We had the 89. We had the 21 EMA, we had the 200 EMA, and the 80 EMA, and the pivot point area all at the same place. And we had a pin bar form up right off that. So what do we do? Well, as usual, we jump in short just below the pin bar pattern. We got in short there at 1.0532. So 0.532 is where we got short over here. And when we got 20 pips in profit here at 0.512, we took a third of the trade off, thinking that it's going to continue for us. And we didn't move our stop loss to break even quite yet because we saw it start receding and coming back up. And we saw this level, this 12 level, providing resistance here and also a little bit down this side as well. And so we were worried that it would get a bounce. So we left our stop loss up at the top here, took a third of the trade off. And as you can see, we were tested right into that pivot point area. Now, guys, usually we move our stop loss to break even, but with all this junk in the way here to prevent the price getting to our stop, we felt pretty safe leaving our stop at the top. And it got close, but it didn't quite get to us. So it came back down again. When we hit the 512 level again for a second time, we took another third of the trade off. It started bouncing around there, and we were thinking, well, possibly it's going to go back up. We weren't interested in being another few hours in this trade, so we just closed out the rest as well, the last third of the trade at that level as well. So that was a good US dollar, Canadian dollar trade as well. Had a good London session, made a good few pips, and we're lining up a couple trades on the New York session as we speak. So it'll be good if you come over and join us. We'd love to have you at the live sessions. Pop on over to fap-tradershaven.com. Rate the thread there, the My Daily Method thread. You can have a look. You can post questions if you're interested to know. You can come through to the live sessions. And also, guys, if you feel like it, leave a comment for this video, rate the video, let me know what you think so we can improve the quality of the service and the videos. Ciao.